In this video, I'll show you how to create a shortcut and use this feature inside Perplexity's AI-powered browser called Comet to save your time. And if you haven't downloaded Comet yet, you can get it through the link I've provided in the description. That link will also help you get $20 worth of Perplexity Pro absolutely for free. Once you've downloaded and opened Comet, there are 3 ways to access the shortcut feature. The first one is simply by clicking on the search bar in the center. When you click on it, you'll see an option at the bottom called Create a Shortcut. You can click on that directly. Another way is by pressing the backspace key. This will display all the default shortcuts that already exist, along with the prompts used behind them. You'll also find an option here to create a new shortcut. The other way is through your profile icon. Just click on it and go to the option called Shortcuts. Here you'll see a list of all the pre-built shortcuts available inside the browser. If you'd like to create a new one, simply click on the plus icon. Now let me go back and show you how to create one from scratch. I'll click on the search bar, press backspace, and then click on Create a Shortcut. If you don't know what shortcuts are, they're basically used to convert or compress long prompts into a single keyword. That way you don't have to type or paste the same lengthy prompt again and again. It saves a huge amount of time. Let me show you an example of how I use this feature in my own workflow. When you create a shortcut, the first thing you need to do is give it a name. In my case, I'll name it Proofreading. Whenever I make videos for my channel, I tend to make a lot of mistakes while recording. So I usually transcribe my videos and then ask the AI to proofread them to remove all those errors. Doing it manually every time is tedious, and that's where this shortcut feature comes in handy. So I'll give it the name Proofread, and now we need to enter the prompt or instructions for the AI to follow. I already have a document with the prompt I use regularly, so I'll copy that and paste it here. The prompt basically tells the AI to proofread the transcript, fix spelling and grammar mistakes, enhance clarity, and keep the natural freestyle tone while ensuring the script stays in paragraph format. Below that, you'll see some advanced options. You can click on them to choose a mode like Search, Research, Labs, or Learn. I don't need any specific mode here, so I'll leave it on default. Then there's the Model option, where you can select from different models. If you select Best Model, it automatically picks the best one available. But if you prefer a specific one like GPT-5, Claude, Gemini, or Grok, you can choose it manually. For creative writing, I personally find Claude Sonnet 4.5 works best, so I'll use that here. Next, you have the Sources option, where you can select a specific source to use during the task. I don't need one in this case, so I'll just leave it as Web, which is the default. Once everything's ready, click Save, and your shortcut will be created. As you can see, our shortcut is now active. To access it, I just click on the search bar and press backspace. Here's the list of shortcuts, and I can see the one named Proofread. If I hover over it, I can view the entire prompt we entered earlier. Now let me show you how it works. I'll open my Google Sheet containing a transcript from one of my videos. It's full of small mistakes that need fixing. I'll copy that text, go back to Comet, and paste it in the chat box. Since we're using the shortcut, I'll simply press Enter without typing any extra prompt. Instantly, the AI uses the saved prompt from our shortcut and begins proofreading the text. As you can see, the task is completed exactly as we specified earlier. The AI has done a great job refining the script, and now I can copy this polished version for further use. That's how you can create and use shortcuts inside the Comet browser to save time and automate your workflow. You can set up multiple shortcuts for different use cases, making your daily tasks much faster and easier. So that's all for this video. If you haven't downloaded Comet yet, make sure to grab it through the link in the description to get your $20 Perplexity Pro bonus. And if you want to watch a detailed tutorial on advanced use cases for the Comet browser, click in the video appearing on your screen.